Lord, I come to you as I am, not perfect, not finished, still carrying weight, still searching for peace, still trying to understand myself. Lord, give me the strength to keep going when I feel like stopping, when my body feels tired, when my mind feels heavy, when everything in me wants to slow down. Give me something deeper, something stronger than how I feel. Lord, make me whole. Lord, guide my steps, even when I don't understand the path, when I can't see where this is going, when I feel lost in the middle of it. Order my steps anyway. Place direction in my movement. Lord, make me whole. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. Lord, remove fear from my mind and place courage in my heart. When doubt starts speaking, when fear tries to take control, give me the strength to stand anyway. Give me the courage to move forward. Hallelujah. Lord, make me whole. Hallelujah. Lord, use my life for something greater than myself. Let my actions mean something. Let my life carry weight. Let what I do matter. Beyond comfort, beyond ease. Lord, make me whole. Lord, I release control. I let go of the need to understand everything. I let go of the pressure to figure it all out. I trust your direction, even when I cannot see the full picture. Hallelujah. Lord, make me whole. Make me whole. Lord, give me the discipline to become who you called me to be. Not just in moments of motivation, but in the quiet, in the repetition, in the days nobody sees. Build me into that person. Lord, make me whole. Everything I am, make me whole. Everything I carry, make me whole. Becoming, I place it in your hands. I make me stronger. Make me clearer. Make me clearer. Make me alive. Lord, Lord. Lord, Lord, make me whole. Amen. Lord, make me whole. Hey, Lord, make me whole. Lord, make me whole. Lord, make me whole. Lord, make me whole.